Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and I hope everyone's safe in their home, washing your hands and staying safe from the COVID-19 virus. And today we're going to look at a Canadian IMP. Now this one is menu 15, Chicken a la King from 2013. This particular one expires in November of 2016, so it's a little bit past its expiration date, but we're still gonna check it out. And it's been a while since I've had a Canadian IMP. You guys know how much I love these. They're excellent, really good rations. So yeah, let's check it out. All right, let's have a close look at it. And as you can tell, it comes in this paper bag. It is lined with foil. There you have the Canadian Maple Leaf IMP 2013. Not really sure what the RIC stands for. This is Chicken a la King, menu number 15. This is a military ration, not for resale. Nothing on the sides, nothing on the bottom. We have a web link if you want to check that out. And that's pretty much it. Let's get right to it. Let's open it up. And these, of course, are very simple to open up. Tear right into it. And we're in. Let's see what we got. And let's just pull some things out. First thing we have is some pain, or as we like to call it, bread. All right. Got some peanut butter, instant coffee, a candy mint. We have an orange sports drink. You actually get two of them. Check that out. We have some Reese's Pieces, peanut butter candy. Not bad. We have some hot chocolate. We have the famous Canadian beverage bag, and these are very good. We have some whitener for tea or coffee. We have some sugar. Check out those sailboats. We have some matches, product of USA. Pink tips. We have another peanut butter. We have some hot sauce. Spice things up. We have a fruit cocktail. Got some masking tape on there. And the main course meal, the Chicken a la King. Check out those ingredients. We have some cinnamon gum, an extra long Canadian spoon, and the usual extra large Canadian napkin. We also get a moist towelette and a toothpick. Now that's Canadian luxury. And that's it. And I'm also going to use this Canadian flameless ration heater. Now these are handed out separately. They are not included in the ration. I'm not sure why they do that, but yeah, we have the original one, so might as well use it. All right, there you have all the contents, and as you can already see, we have a lot of stuff going on, which is expected for a Canadian IMP. One thing I have not tried is the Reese's Pieces. I mean, I've had Reese's Pieces before, but not from an IMP. Kind of stoked about that, so yeah, let's begin. So let's heat up our mains. We're gonna use the Canadian flameless ration heater, and we're gonna check this Chicken a la King, heat it up. There's our pouch. Not to be eaten. Somehow we just fill to the line only with water. Now this heater requires a ton of water. And we have a little strip of tape to close it up. All right, there it goes. lot of smoke, a lot of steam. Now these heaters really pack a punch. And we have a rock or something. And we're gonna let that cook for 15 minutes, then we'll come back to it. And we're gonna make some drinks. Start with the coffee. We have our whitener or creamer. And sugar. Let's give it a stir. And we might as well get the hot chocolate started. And we'll give that a stir. And now we're gonna make the sports drink. Gonna add water to this fill line. So now we add the sports drink to the pouch. We're gonna give this a shake. And now it's fully dissolved. We'll just pour this in our cup. Let's try the drinks. Let's start with the coffee. All right, here we go. That is a perfect cup of coffee. It's not too sweet, it's not too bland, it's not too strong, it's not too weak. It's a little bit creamy, a little bit sweet. All right, let's try the orange sports drink. All right, here we go. That is a little bit rough. It's a little bit stale. The best way I can describe it, that is pretty much tang. It's got that artificial orange flavor. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit refreshing, but yeah, a little bit old. Let's try the chocolate drink. Let's try the hot cocoa. Here we go. Let's give it another stir. That is actually pretty good. Nice and sweet, nice and chocolatey and smooth. It is a little bit weak, so maybe add a little bit less water next time. Yeah. Let's open up the bread. Here's our Canadian bread. As you can tell, it's actual bread. This one's a little bit firm. Let's give it a try. That is just regular bread. It's a little bit stale, but it's still edible. We might as well try the peanut butter. Why not? Yeah, here we go. It's nice and sweet and savory, very nutty, very creamy. Let's try it with our bread. Peanut butter and bread, can't go wrong with that. Oh yeah, the peanut butter goes perfect with the bread and with the hot cocoa. Let's try out the Reese's Pieces. See what we got. As you can see, they're not in the best shape, but I mean, we gotta try them, so let's go. There is something a little bit off about the Reese's Pieces. They're a little bit stale. Flavor's a little bit off. Can't quite describe it, but it's not that bad. I'm sure they're still edible. Up next, we have the fruit cocktail with masking tape. Not sure what's up with that. Let's see what condition it's in. And there we have our fruit cocktail. And I can tell you it's not in the best of shape. I have seen a lot worse, but this comes close. Yeah, I guess let's give it a try. Grab one of the cherries. There's our fruit cocktail. Here we go. That is really stale. You can definitely tell that it's been aging for some time. It's still very sweet. You can still tell that it's a fruit cocktail, but it's definitely got that weird staleness taste to it. So yeah, it is what it is. All right, I think it's time we check out the main entree. Open. All right, there it is, and yeah, it's a little bit warm. I am noticing a little bit of bloating, but from my experience, that is very common with the older IMPs. The entrees seem to be a little bit bloated. I'm not sure how risky this is, but you know, we gotta try it, so. There's our chicken a la king. Yeah, doesn't smell too bad. And here's some of the ingredients. We have white chicken meat, mushrooms, green peas, celery, chicken broth, green and red bell peppers. Doesn't look too bad. Let's grab a bite. All right, here we go. Chicken's a little bit dry. Let's grab another bite. There it is. All right, here we go. Let's try with the hot sauce. See what it's like. Oh yeah. That hot sauce is pretty much vinegar. Let's grab another bite. Again, here we go again. This one's a little bit disappointing. The flavor's not really there. The chicken is just extremely dry. The only good thing I can say about it is the sauce. It's nice and creamy, but everything else is just completely bland. You can't really taste anything but the sauce. It's just very average, very underwhelming. Let's wash it down. We might as well try the mint. Even the mint candy is a little bit stale, but yeah. And that wraps it up. This was the Canadian IMP, menu number 15 from 2013. And I gotta say, this one really let me down. It was very underwhelming. Nothing about it really stands out. Everything was in pretty bad shape. Not the worst shape, but pretty bad. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give this one a 5 out of 10. Probably one of the worst IMP menus I've had. The only positive thing, the only good thing I can say about it is, you know, the Reese's Pieces and maybe the hot chocolate. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I gotta say about it. And I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are staying safe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the little notification bell as well. And just want to give a huge shout out and thanks to all my patrons. I really appreciate your support. And as always, thanks for watching. See you soon.